are back with today's Hot Shot. Just when you thought Baywatch's David Hasselhoff couldn't surprise us anymore, he does it again, this time with his new obsession. It is Facebook Live.
David Hasselhoff live from the Los Angeles jacuzzi.
Our lifeguard superstar.
Hey!
Here's Coco. Coco, come here. Coco. Coco. Coco's crazy. I thought I would go live, give you guys a little info. Do not mess with the snake.
There he is, the Hoff, literally taking his fans everywhere he goes. He gives them a sneak peek into his everyday life, and he gets tens of thousands of views. We actually have the man himself on Skype right now. David Hasselhoff, good morning to you.
This is the earliest Facebook Live I've ever done. Good morning, Lara. How are you, darling?
I'm great. Good to see you. You are killing it on Facebook Live. What is the secret to all of these people tuning in for you?
You know, it gives a personal level to the people who know you from television. In other words, I get letters and I get mail, people that are live from Taiwan saying, "Hi, I'm checking in from Taiwan." Can you imagine? They saw me on television as the Night Rider in Taiwan, and suddenly they're in my living room with my dogs, you know. And,
there we go.
And my bird. I got my bird over here.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
You know, you learn something new about you every time,
What's your bird's
David.
name?
Oh, you know what? It's so fun because it just gives a human element to the people, and you can connect with people all over the world, and you can say, hey, what's going on in the world? If something violent is going on in the world, I can hear what they're talking about.
Yeah.
But I can check in like 200 countries at once.
Your bird is staring intently at you right now. Is there anything the bird wants to say?
Wondering, why the heck am I up so early? It's hard. Yeah.
Hey, David, I want to ask you, a lot of Facebook is paying a lot of celebrities to do this. Are you getting paid for this?
Paying me? No, really. I guess that's why I'm still still Dave Hasselhoff and not, and not The Rock. I'm not getting paid for this. No, this is actually just a way of getting in touch with the fans. I mean, I was in Austria a couple days ago, and I was saying, I did my first show in Austria. I worked with a guy who had a drooping eye, and I couldn't remember what his name was, and it came across on my Facebook here, live. It came up Carl Dahl. All these people check in, and they tell me where they're from. And
Still connected.
That's great. Still connected. We love connecting with you. Thanks for checking in. I know it's early out there, and we'll talk soon.
All right, take care, guys.
See you off.